And I'm from Lagos State. Mr. Speaker, my respected colleagues, I have a motion on the of urgent public importance on the need to monitor increased FARC allocations and usage in accordance with enabling laws in the country in order to reduce poverty. Mr. Speaker, I pray to bring this motion under our standing order 8/5, sub 2, so that this motion will be considered as urgent. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
Any seconder to the first leg of the motion?
Urgent public importance on the need to monitor increased FARC allocations and usage in accordance with enabling laws in the country in order to reduce poverty. Aware that the amount shared by federal, state, and local governments from the federation accounts has increased significantly due to the withdrawal of fuel subsidy, the floating of the naira, and other economic policies unanimously introduced by the government. Aware that the states and local governments got the most cash from FARC in at least 7 years after the subsidy removal. And is burden on public coffers and a currency reform which delivered a 40% boost on naira income. Aware that states and local government received a total of 6.5 trillion naira in 2023, which doubles the 3.1 trillion they received in 2022. Concerned that despite the availability of more cash to the state, 14.2 million more citizens continue to grapple with poverty, even as Delta, as one of the states, received 217 billion. Rivers received 179.8 billion. Akwa Ibom, 175.5 billion. Bayelsa, 128 billion. These states still have poverty rates of 13.1%, 7.3%, 22.9%, 24.3% respectively, according to a world report. More concerned that most of these states with increased allocation faces significant challenges, even in the payment of salaries, effective management of public institutions, and provision of public transportation and access to potable water, as unemployment rates have increased to over 51% in some of them. Most worried that the state governors have refused to complement the federal government poverty amelioration efforts and are not driving the necessary economic transformation that will reduce citizens suffering in their respective states with the increased allocation even at their disposal.
Maybe you should use your mind.
Prayers to mandate the Committee on Special Duties, National Planning and Economic Development, Intergovernmental Affairs.
Honorable Ajile Soro, order please.
To look
Members, please take your seat. Honorable members, please take your seat, sir.
To the release, spending, and utilization of this increased allocation from FARC and report back to the House for further necessary action. I so move, Mr. Speaker.